Hello everyone, I'm back here with some sentences. And why I have written all these sentences, because I have noticed somewhere that we people, we really write some mistakes when we use these sentences. Suppose we are talking with someone, maybe we're writing on our story or in our status, so we used to do mistake in these sentences. So that's why I have written here and we'll discuss with you one by one. Okay, so first one I have written, each of the apples dash juicy. What do we have to use, is or are? Can you guess, guys? Okay, each of the apples. You must be students used to do mistake because they always focus on apples and they used to use are, but it is incorrect. When a plural noun come between two singular subjects like each and juicy, so here we have to, the verb always agree on the singular subject or so here it will be is, right? Each of the apples is juicy. Okay, so go for the next one. The family does our strongest support. We normally use, actually this sentence varies, it depends upon the sentence to what we are using for. So here the family does our strongest support. What will be, is or are? Listen, family, we could not recognize it as singular or plural, but always safe, it is always safe to use are. Okay, so when you are getting you are getting confusion to what to use, do use are, right? So it is also varies due to sentences, but in this sentence it will be are. And go for the third one. Neither the teacher nor the students dash present. So what will be the answer? Can you guys guess? Okay, neither or nor. Okay, when neither and nor used in a sentence, then do focus that, do remember the thing, the verb always agree with the second subject. First subject is what? Teacher, and second one is students. So which one is singular, which one is plural? Teacher is the singular one, so we could not use is because we have the verb agree with the second subject. So like students is the plural subject, so according to students we have to use are. Why it's happened? Because in a sentence it's used neither or nor. You have to use, if in a sentence neither and nor is used, then the verb agree with the second subject, right? This is the first subject, this is the second subject. Students are. Neither the teacher nor the students are present in the class or are present, right? So go for the next one, it's fourth one. Yes, this is the important one. Okay, actually in this sentence I found so many mistakes wherever I watch someone's status or like this. So I found out really mistake people used to do. That's why I have used this word here. One of my best friends dash coming today. So this is one of my favorite books. So normally people used to do, this is one of my favorite book, and we used to focus on one. Okay, don't focus on one. So here use one, but here also use friends. So what will be? One of my best friends are or is? Definitely it is, because out of my best friends, all the best friends, one is coming today. So here it will be is. Focus on this one, right? One of my best friends is coming today. One of my best friends, one of my storybooks, one of my clothes, I like this one the most. So clothes, okay, this is one of my favorite books. So people used to write, this is one of my favorite book. Do use as in the noun. Okay, so go for the next one. This is nobody does perfect in the world. So another thing, this is important, students, I'm telling you of standard 10th, this type of question you must have to face in your final examination, I'm telling you, because this type of question come into your subject and verb agreement. So here nobody, somebody, anybody, everybody, if used in the subject, if used in the sentence as subject, then do use is. Only nobody is. Nobody is perfect in this world. Okay. So next one, let's see. Yes, bread and butter, that's a wholesome food. Bread and butter. Normally every students use mistake here. Bread and butter, it's not different. Okay. It's like a phrase. So here we have to use is. Like Tom and Jerry is a wonderful series. Tom and Jerry is, like we don't use Tom and Jerry are. So here also bread and butter is a wholesome food. Okay. And go for the next one. Every boy, yes, it is wonderful one and you need to know this. Okay. Every boy and every girl does given a vaccination. Okay. So here, look at here. Every boy and every girl. When every use in between both of the nouns. Okay. What is the noun here? Boy and girl. So when every use in before the both of the nouns, then the verb always agree on the singular one. Okay, here you have to use is, right? So every boy and every girl is given vaccination. Just do remember one thing, when every use or in both of the nouns, I mean before of both of the nouns in a sentence, then you have to use is. Okay, that is what. And go for the next one. The singer and actor dash did. What do we have to use? The singer is a subject and actor. Okay. What will be? The singer, the same person is also involved in acting. So the singer and actor is dead. Understood? In the next sentence you will be more clarified on that. Okay. The singer and actor. Who's the singer is also involved in acting. So the singer is also an actor. So singer and the actor is dead. Okay. But the next one, look at here. The singer and the doctor dead. So here we use two article. I mean here in the sentence there are use that is having two the in the sentence. Means the singer is a separate person. The actor is also a different person. So here we have to use are. Okay. Did you get me? So if in a single sentence there is two subject clarify having different thus, then you have to use are. If there is a single the and different subjects are clarified, then just think and do remember that it is defined for a single person. That's why we have to use is. And go for the next one and the last one. 200 rupees dash too much for this bag. Okay. So normally students do mistake when they think 200 rupees is the plural one. But don't do that. 200 rupees is will be. Okay. Okay. I'm telling you another examples. 200 rupees is, and another thing quality and amount or distance. 5 kilometers is. Okay. And another thing like quality. The quality of the fruits is. It won't be are. So do remember quality, distance and amount. If the starting point of the subject sounds like plural, but yet we have to use the verb form as singular. So thank you all for watching my videos, and I hope this video is useful to you. Keep watching. Take care.